Hi guys.
Welcome back to a new episode of Abundant Wild. We've missed you, man. We have missed you.
So that was exciting.
We have been laying low in hibernation, aka quarantine, aka isolation, aka home together. But on a serious note, folks, we hope that you guys are doing okay. Everybody's staying safe.
Yeah, we've been really excited to start this summer. We've kind of been putting it off because of everything that's going on.
Those of you that follow our channel know that we go out into the wilderness, so we will be
6 feet away from anyone that we encounter.
exactly.
We're gonna look for Purdon's Crossing today. It's close to Edwards Crossing. It's close to Hoyt's Crossing, both which we've already done videos on. If you haven't seen those, you can check those out. And hey, if you want to see our future videos, go ahead and hit subscribe.
And hit the bell down below for notifications.
So this is crazy.
Springtime, and there's lots of pretty flowers. It's rocky, it's bumpy, but we're making it.
Tires are not looking very good.
It's gonna bust, Jake said.
They're all over the place.
They're everywhere.
Gave us big smiles on her way
Are you
out.
serious?
Yeah, absolutely.
I was
Anybody that's out here
scared
naked
to
is not going to
die.
give us an issue.
It's
like
the
most-
clothed ones you have to worry
It's the
about.
clothed people you have to worry about.
How is it?
Go back, go back, go back.
I forgot the casing for the GoPro, and our GoPro does not close all the way. So, we're not going to get very much underwater footage. A butterfly. Shows a butterfly.
There's a lot of butterflies out
Or
tonight.
a duck.
Tonight. Tonight.
There's a lot of butterflies out
They're all
tonight.
flying around tonight. You want me to keep recording or? Okay. Oh God, it's
Do you feel better?
I'll tell you, Mom.
Still alive.
Well, long-term baby.
That was cool. So there's so many spots that you could have totally different experiences at. Jake, tell us about what you think.
Well, that was a good day at the river. We had a nice little spot there for a little while. Then we had a few people come in and kind of start walking around naked and flapping their unmentionables everywhere, which is fine. I don't have anything against that, but you know, a little bit of space